Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy VK back with another one in this bit, man. It's mad early in the morning. Niggas is going on a hike, dude. You going on a hike, dude. And last night, I was playing Call of Duty all night, bro. I slept at 2 a.m. and now I'm waking up at 7 a.m., nigga. So I'm a zombie right now, nigga. So for that, y'all niggas gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Or, nigga, be fighting, nigga. Cause I'm waking up mad early to shoot content for y'all and y'all ain't even liking, y'all ain't even subscribing, nigga. What's wrong with you, nigga? I'm gonna wait for you, nigga. Click that shit, nigga. Nigga, I say click that shit, nigga. I appreciate you, broski. Oh, shit, nigga. Oh, you back in this motherfucker, nigga. But look, keep it a buck, y'all. It's my first time going on a hike, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know, us black people sometimes, you know, scared of the wilderness, bro. We thinking animals is everywhere in that bit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? But we outside today, nigga. I'm with broski, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show too much, you know what I'm saying? As soon as we get there in the scenery, I'm gonna shoot content for y'all. I got already a vlog dropping tonight, so baby, more content is coming, you feel what I'm saying? We're opening 2025 with a bang, nigga. All y'all gotta do is show love, support me. Just go keep riding along, keep striving for greatness, you feel me, twin? Let's go get it, nigga. Y'all going on that cycle with me, nigga, so we had them bandits in this motherfucker, son. You did. Lovely weather, bro. It's not too hot, just calm, you know what I'm saying? So, easy vibe. Easy vibe. Yeah, bro. Finna check y'all there, bro. We just getting done. This nigga's taking man long, bro. We would have been gone, but this nigga slept earlier than me. I'm the one who slept late, but that nigga is still picking on. I'm already done, nigga. Shit, I don't make for this shit, nigga. Know what I'm saying? Easy shit to me, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? I mean, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks outside, bro. So I know what type of way to get away, you feel what I'm saying? We go hike in the dig. Alright, chat. We here, chat. Niggas is here, chat. About to do this, chat. Easy trail on, chat. Hiking, Majik forest in this bit, nigga. I look tough in this hole. Shit, I might just eat a bag in this motherfucker. Top down. If I see me, yo, gang. Yo, slide. Seems like a long way to the top. Bro, not me, bro. Not me thinking that's a crocodile, though. Not me thinking that's a crocodile, bro. I'm ready to run, dog. You hear me? Cause this is like a type of swamp type of it.
There's a river.
You know what I'm saying?
Why don't you take a swim and see if they eat any fish? What fish is that?
It's a fish, yeah. Probably a normal fish, though. You hear me? Yo, Simo! Get out the water! Type it. It's cool, bro. We dig. That's what I was saying, dog.
Nah, hot.
Feel me? It's cool-ish, bro. Feel me? Nah, it's nice, bro.
No, it's not.
Nice, bro.
It's exactly the place I was talking about when you walked over here. I didn't know we'd come here, but it's the place I was talking about here.
Nah, it's mad cool, bro. It's tough. Know me, bro. I would be going in this motherfucker, dog.
Okay.
You feel me? Like, just going through this shit, bro. All this, bro. Like, bro, I was telling this nigga, like, yo, we gotta do this shit more often, you know what I'm saying? There's so many shit to see in Cape Town, bro. Like, we got a lot of ish here, bro. And we only see the bare minimum. Ain't this tough, chat? Can't tell me this ain't tough, chat. Feel me? I'm taking y'all boys outside with me, boy. Feel me? Like, we really outside right now. You dig? Y'all don't say VK don't do nothing for y'all. Feel me? nice weed. One of the niggas had a blunt in his bit, nigga. Maybe with a horse or something. Shit would have been tight, man. Been tight, man. Feel me? Shit's tough, gango. Feel what I'm saying? Really out here for real, gango. We really out here for real, gango. It is. Like shit, though. Nothing too crazy, gango. Nothing too crazy. It is, nigga. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Been deep in the trenches, dog. Shit, man. Feel me, nigga. Calm, cool shit, though.
Oh, this is really what this feel like. I would be like yeah, it's like some wild type shit.
You feel me? Like living a wild type thing. Feel me? Show us. Feel me? Yeah, like, bro, I was surviving a bit, nigga. I was surviving a bit, nigga. Feel me? Wash my black ass in that water. You know what I'm saying? Stay clean, bro.
Fuck, I ain't washing my ass in that water.
Hey, nigga, you gonna be stinking anyway, nigga. You gonna be stinking anyway, nigga. You feel me? So it's either you clean or you stay stinking. And what if you run into bro? You know what I actually realized in the movies it never shows like the mental washing. Like, I mean, like in the wilderness, but feel me? It's like the end of the world that is, but they find new females that they die a lot. Doesn't it? What's going, me, bro? God damn, it's just getting tricky, bro.
I low key wanna go down there.
Bro, let's go. Bro, let's go, nigga. Yeah, nigga, we stiff, nigga. Nah, I'm in the dunk, man. It looks crazy down there, bro. Feel me? Never know what's down there, chat. Feel me? So I stay on the trail, man. That's what I was saying. Hey, bro. This is where I was cooking. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day in BC, 1800. Yeah, I was cooking down there, bro. I had my camp set up down there, too. You know what I'm saying? I was set up right there, bro. Posted up right there. When the militia was running around there, I was. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Oh, a nigga exploring and ish. Going in the trenches. Let's go down the trenches, nigga. Let's go down the trenches, nigga. Feel me? Hey, nigga, I'm running. We deep in the trenches. Oh! Is it because I'm black, dude? Okay, nah, this is where I come out, bro. I'm out. I ain't falling, nigga. I ain't falling, bro. Keep here, dog. I'm a goddamn man, brother.
Alright, big go.
Deep in the trenches, bro. I ain't falling, too. I ain't falling. I might slip, but I ain't falling. You dig? You dig, though? Might slip, but niggas ain't falling, too. Nah, that's tough, bro.
A little bit. A little bit.
You know what I'm saying? Nah, that's so tough. What is in the building, you know?
I don't even know, bro.
This is gonna fuck up the old photos.
I won't even be surprised. Maybe they're building like a
Tired.
Yeah.
They just want to take more water from Mother Nature.
Just want to destroy nature.
Bro.
Like, fuck that.
Look at that, son.
Want me to record for you or you with you?
Sure, bro. We in it, bit, man. Yeah. Bro, there's so many.
Yeah, they go deep in.
You know what I'm saying? Like, damn.
Now we finna come explore, yo.
You feel me? You can't really explore this motherfucker. You can. That's what I'm talking about.
Stop at the lake. We're on the other side of the lake now.
On the other side, man. I called you, mate, but you didn't answer. What's wrong with you, mate? I was here for you. You weren't here for me. Bro, imagine this was water. Yo!
You're done.
Yo! Because it look like that.
Yeah, that's sinking.
You, I would be done for, dog. Bro, just imagine that shit was water. I jumped in it. Oh my days.
You're done.
You're done, dog.
Trying to go up, yeah.
Don't go up there.
I don't know, we stick to the trail.
Yeah, man. On another day.
Nah, facts. Yeah.
Nah, this is tough, man. I advise y'all to start doing it, man.
Facts.
We too much in the clubs and it's, man. We got orders both for us, man. Feel me? There's so much to see in the world, man. And next year, 2025, my goal is to show y'all everything, man. We're gonna go hiking a lot. You know what I'm saying? Explore Mother Nature a lot, boys.
Facts. Get active.
You know what I'm saying?
Get active.
I'm not just gonna show y'all the party life, how we go outside, how we drink and all that. Nah, New Year's is coming up, so best believe I'm gonna vlog that too.
Word.
I'm gonna show y'all how before all that chaos, we vibing. You feel me? We exploring, you feel me? We outside, taking a whiff of fresh air. Not that sweating air when niggas is smelling in there. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? It's a mad vibe. It's calm, cool. You don't hear no chaos, bro.
Nothing.
Just you feel me, bro? What's better than that, bro?
I low keeping the dogs here too.
Yeah, bro.
Roscoe, yeah. Fire.
Like I said, I want to get them first sterilized before I take
Yeah.
anyway, because it's still exciting. And shit. Feel me?
True.
You can even take a peek here, dog. Yeah, bro. Only niggas are blunt, though.
Bro.
Blunts. There's so much people here, though.
Yeah.
To find like a crazy spot to smoke.
Low key.
You know what I'm saying? Probably go like these outside trails that nobody do.
Mmm.
And chill, coop up.
Spark up.
Damn, we so far behind.
Facts.
But we vibing though.
We on our motion.
At the end of the day, man, we all gonna get to the finish line. It's not about who gets there first. It's just about getting there.
Go at your own
You know
pace.
what I'm saying? Don't try to keep up with nobody. Do it your own thing. You know? Because somebody might be going faster than you, but they just might miss a nice view. Nice setup. You know what I'm saying? Because they going too fast, they not. You know what I'm
And I'm
saying?
taking it all
You know what
in.
I'm saying? Yeah, maybe, bro. It's real right here. Damn. But imagine living in one of those cribs, bro. Just come outside. Easy vibe.
Straight nature.
Feel what I'm saying? That would be so tough.
So. Real spell.
Hard bog. Smoking in the wilderness. Getting faded.
Oh, bro.
Truly. And there's still some calm, bro.
Damn.
Alright. Somebody was gonna step in that.
Just all you hear is ducks and slow birds and just leaves, bro.
Facts.
You don't hear no swearing, cars, none of that.
Animosity.
You know what I'm saying?
Peace.
Just
That's all I need. Peace.
and you can for real meditate right here, bro.
But of course. They probably wondering, where the hell we at? Now we taking it all in. You feel me?
We here for a reason, but I'm vlogging for a reason. I want to show y'all everything. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to make this like a short vlog, but make this vlog cool, man. Film a hiking trip. You know what I'm saying? First hike. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but shit, man. It's a vibe. But all I'm going to say right now, if you make it, you like made it up to this video, man. All I want to say is comment the right path. If you made it to this part of the video, just comment the right path, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we're on the right path right now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? We don't look back. We don't go back. We go on the right path. We keep moving forward. Nobody want to try to stop us or anything like that. We just keep moving forward. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's the best way to do it, man. There's don't be obstacles around your way. Feel me? You like on our way here, there was rocks, there was everything. But you turn back, you keep going.
Keep going.
There's always a way out of the tunnel, man. Feel me? Just gotta keep going, man. That's all you gotta do, man.
Stay on the right path.
Don't get sweated off because
Ooh.
it looks nice, but
It's deceiving.
you know what I'm saying.
You get
You
me?
just gotta keep going, man. Just keep going. Stay on God's path. You know what I'm
Wordo. Wordo.
saying?
Brother.
I just can't wait to get to the crib and smoke that. Bro,
That's gonna be a calm session after this. Just get some.
I ain't gonna lie, I needed this chat. Like, whole December I've been working crazy. Like, it's just been chaos. That's where I'm talking about, like, the crazy noise, the like, bro, in the city, like, in the mall, like, it's busy, bro. People just buying this, all that is, bro. People are just rude as a mug. Well, you see how they trying to give me the
They're trying to
fall?
get you to fall.
Nah, nigga.
We can't fall.
Nah, nigga.
All good, all good.
Yes.
That nigga was speeding through here. Damn.
Yes.
Zooming through the trenches. Zooming through the trenches.
Nigga, zero tolerance for pedestrians.
Zoom.
Zoom. Man, this is what life is all about.
All about, man.
Comment down below if y'all want me to do more hiking videos. Then we definitely gonna have that for y'all. Y'all like this video, this type of video that I'm doing, comment down below. We're doing it all 2025. Not just stuff that y'all gonna see a lot of.
Thanks.
Like I see you, bro. Every Sunday. Not every Sunday, but like every second Sunday. Or something,
Yeah.
you gotta go on a hike. You know what
Got
I'm
to.
saying? Just take in Mother Nature, man.
Take it all in.
So much fly, it's like just be stuck in the club or stuck in the club. I mean, I ain't been in the club for however long.
Can't even remember.
Yo, you guys see the snake out?
Where?
On the other side. But like I said, stuff like the thing goes out.
Yeah?
Oh, that up building.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, see the
Any crocodiles there? Oh, we what's down there though? We going up here.
What I say? I'll take the pathway it's easiest, or you can take the pathway. You know it's gonna have bumpy roads. It's gonna be worth a while.
Most definitely.
And like little bro said, but we're all gonna meet at one place. Meaning, at the end of the day, we're all gonna have our time to go. What's up, little bro?
Let's down.
No, we're gonna sit, little bro.
Ah, you have to go down. Come down. Oh, God.
I think it's because of the bike video.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, pull up here. I go picnic. Vibes. Vibes. Bring your female here.
Nothing too crazy, little bro.
Your female don't wanna do shit like this.
She's not the one. Respectfully. She just wanna go clubbing. Not the one, little bro.
Nah, bruh.
Not the one. Yeah, I keep it.
Take your female on a hike and go.
And then fucking the woods. Don't say I said that.
Cut that out.
Cut that out.
Facto. Yeah, when it's like, yeah, tunnel type vibe.
Just keep that like, feel me?
Just give that aura.
You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm not gonna- you know what I'm saying?
Just give you that aura.
What's up, dude? What's up? Feel me, chat? This is the top. That's top.
So this the top, huh?
That's the top.
Let's go a little more deep in.
This is tough, chat.
Some calm, just to start the Sunday morning.
Feel me? Not really crazy hiking, but just calm shit.
Calm.
Feel me?
Just get out a bit in the nature.
Feel me? We're just getting ourselves ready for the crazy issue, you know what I'm saying? The hiking crazy. Tape them out, lines, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All that crazy. All that crazy shit. Gotta start from the bottom and work your way up, you feel me?
Straight downhill now. Yo. 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 Yo.
Yeah, chat, that's the end of the vlog, man. It was nice, it was lit, you feel me? If y'all made this one, if y'all fuck with the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, all that good shit, man. Being in 2024 for the bang, man. We're gonna be vlogging New Year's too, man. So y'all can expect 2 more vlogs coming. I already got one dropping on the 29th, which is today. 2 late studio session. Feel me? That's on my other channel. This is gonna be on my vlog channel, bro. Yeah, man, it'd be nice with y'all boys, man, but shit, man, what I'm gonna say is 2025, it's gonna have a lot in store for us, man, and I'm gonna see y'all there, man, but just take a scoop of the scenery, man. Yeah, man. Be signing out, y'all boys, man. Check y'all in the next video. Gang!
Dang.